and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing great. It's been a very boring couple of weeks sitting here trying to figure out what to do. So I hope you all are doing great and are all healthy and all that. But this week has been a lot of trial and error with the go-kart. As you saw last week or 2 weeks ago, we did our first test run with it. It went okay, but the gearing was not right, and there was just a bunch of other stuff that needed tuning. So we have it here now. As you will see later in this video, and if you've seen on Instagram, this just does rolling burnouts. Like, you just press the gas, the tires spin on pavement. So it's insane. So stick around for that at the end of this video. I guess with that said, let's get right into this. We did a lot of modifying to the exhaust, changed the gearing up a little bit, figured out some issues with bogging and backfiring because it was shooting flames out of the exhaust. So let's get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I have to talk kind of loud so I don't get copyrighted by the music, but we just changed the sprocket on the top. It was a 16 tooth and now it is a 10 tooth, so we went from a 1 to 2 gear ratio to a 1 to 3.2 gear ratio, so hopefully that'll give this thing more torque. And now we're going to mess around with a couple other things, including the exhaust. I really don't like the fact that the exhaust is right there and it's making popping noises. Dude, that's scaring the crap out of me. Honda's ready? Something just slipped. I don't know what the hell that was.
Well, that was a fail.
Yeah, I felt it started going crazy and then it was just like, nope. Alright, so I know a lot went on yesterday and I really didn't explain much of what was going on, so I'll fill you guys in a little bit. So basically, we had to get a couple things done, finish the exhaust, which the exhaust is pretty much done. We have a flex pipe in here now, and it's working much better than it was yesterday. One of the issues we're still running into is we still have to create a mount up here, but I mean, it still works pretty good. It has a slight exhaust leak, but it is much, much better than it was before. And then over here with the chain, we went from a 16-tooth sprocket on top to a 10-tooth sprocket, so it went from a 1-to-2 ratio, because it was 16 on top, 32 on bottom. So it was 1-to-2 to a 1-to-3.2. So we're hoping that's going to give it a lot more torque, and you guys already saw we tried to test drive it. But we had a chain tensioner, and this thing just blew it apart. It was hooked up to this, and it's gone. It's sitting over there all broken. But what we're going to try to do now is shim this up a little bit. We're going to shim the whole like secondary clutch thing up to try to get the chain a little bit tighter. And then hopefully that'll be good. And then we're going to try to test drive it again tonight. And there was also a lot of bogging coming from the go-kart yesterday. That was because there's no gas in here. There's so little gas that even if you move it at all, it was just fuel cutting because the fuel was sloshing back and forth. So that was why that was happening. We're going to put more gas in it tonight. Try to do something with the clutch to shim this, and then hopefully it will be the first real good test drive because the field is drying out. We have area in the driveway now to do what we were going to try to do yesterday, and yeah. And as you can see over here, why does the key look like this? Well, that's because I can't reach it when I'm sitting in the harness. So now I can reach it. And one thing that I just finished today, which looks absolutely amazing. Check this out. Oh, that looks so cool. I actually got this sticker for free when I ordered my Hoonigan sweatshirt. So I got this sticker and a license plate frame with it. And I was going to throw it on here. I just painted this gray. And that just looks so cool. So, what better word to put on this than Hoonigan? I mean, it just fits this. We just have to do a couple more things, and then we're going to try to test drive it again tonight and see what happens. Ready? Holy crap! Oh my god! Dude, this is nuts!
That was awesome. The kid's a little bit nuts for holding on to the throttle that long.
That's insane! I know! I don't know why you stayed in it so long! That's so crazy!
Yeah, it accelerated fast.
going to, because it keeps backfiring.
Currently trying to solve the bogging issue. Not really sure exactly what's happening. We think it's something with the pulses. As you can see in the other clips, it was shooting fireballs out of the exhaust yesterday. So we're gonna try to figure that out.
Because of the air filters, because it's not an air box. That changes it as well. Well, I wanted to lean it out because it's jetted for cold, but if I choke it and gun it, it responds. So I don't know if that means the needles, like, the mid-range needs to become richer.
Figure out the whole backfire situation. You guys saw it when I recorded it, sitting over here. Shut up. Wow, that sounds so cool. I've never heard it like standing from afar. Split the tires. Oh my god! You spun the tires the whole way down the driveway. That's nuts.
You're gonna blow now?
Yeah. The whole way.
It seems all right. It seems all right now, but you want to try and drive it. You gotta feather the gas a little.
Once it gets up past mid-range, we've noticed that it's fine. We think that there's something up with the jetting. Well, oh my God! Holy crap! I have no idea how fast we're going, by the way. But it was spinning the tires most of the way. I felt this get a little sideways. Alright. Holy crap! That's freaking nuts. That's crazy. The whole time, it's like driving a car with like street tires with 1,000 horsepower. The whole time I'm like turning back and forth to keep it straight. That's nuts. I want to do another pull in the driveway. Oh my God. I know the tires were a little bit wet when I did that, but Jesus, it just blew them off.
Almost good. Pretty good? Yeah.
Smoke comes off the tires.
What?
It was blue. There's smoke coming off the tires.
Like burnout smoke?
Yeah.
It was crazy. Like I felt the whole time it was just spinning, and I felt it when it gripped up because the whole thing was just like that.
Yeah, we gotta do this.
Well, this one's good.
Where's your,
All right. So this thing just did a huge burnout all the way down the driveway. We still have to figure out a little bit with the bogging, but we think a lot of it has to do with the jets. So hopefully that's all it is. This thing is absolutely insane. Super fast. The entire time you're pressing the gas, it's spinning the tires. So yeah, that's what 100 horsepower is like in a 400-pound vehicle. So yeah. Alright everyone, that'll have to do it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are liking the longer videos. I don't know if I can make all my videos this long, but this one was pretty long, and I don't really know what's more to come on the go-kart. Still have to do a lot to it. Still got to do a lot to my car as well. I also want to say thank you all for the support on the channel the last couple of days. My numbers for like views and stuff like that have doubled in like the last like week or so. So that's awesome. Thank you guys so much for the support. Only 120 subscribers away from 1,000. That's insane. So thank you all so much. I hope you all are staying safe. So yeah, to support the channel, please comment, like, and hit that subscribe button if you want to support crazy builds like this go-kart. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next week. Bye guys. Hope you have a great rest of your week.